Ka Jingmi ki kendrom kendram hari Bangladesh hadian bagalami ka Jingba mi hab Jingmut Hapedeng u Muhammad Yunus u Chief Advisor ka Sarkar Sipor kategori baru Army Chief General u Wakir Uz Zaman. Na kaliang u Dr. Mukul Sangma u noi lam kaliang persya ka ying dorbar thawan ka jela u lapen pau bagani kalak benwanra ka Jingma ka bakraw na ka benta ka jela. Habakran sekilat patai kubor hagan nok paiski jong ka arpulai terek jemang arja arpusan u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaong makadai ka kam ram jong ka sarkar preng ban khmi pania hakabe debot kani ka kam bat watla kata ka sarkar jelaru kani ban simkhia halor kani nolor kata ulaong balada kum hakani ka por kan don ka ji Khaïi be anya padeng gini ki artli giri kan wanra ya ka Jingma ka bakraw.
See, we are talking about geopolitics. Now geopolitics overall, these are all subject to be handled by Government of India. I am sure that Government of India is seized with this whole situation, with this whole development unfolding. And state has only the responsibility of sharing the inputs, sharing the concern. But at the end of the day, the overall responsibility of dealing with all the issues pertaining to geopolitics, international affairs, bilateral affairs between the sovereign countries, it is best dealt by Government of India. But we will have the need to flag the concerns. We should flag the concerns. I am sure the state government must have flagged the concerns, because now, as I heard, during this kind of situation, if there is a smuggling taking place going on across the international border, it is very dangerous. It is very dangerous. At this juncture, when you have this kind of prevailing geopolitical challenges, that's why that issue of few trucks carrying Areca nut, which has been spotted by some people, including your friends from media, it is a matter of concern. It is a matter of concern. Therefore, Government of India must be alerted on this. Government of India then should crack the whip, including asking the states to pull up their shocks while aggregating the state of both Government of India and all other authorities. See, those things have always been taken up with Government of India. We have unfortunately been referring to the international border in as far as Indo-Bangla border is concerned as the porous border, porous international border. No international border should be porous for the security reasons, for economic security, for social security, and for national security. From all this perspective, no international border should be porous.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.